So welcome, my dear students, to another part of the financial math. And here we have to work on a new file here today, which is called the future value. A future value of amount of money, which is this amount of money is one sum only, one deposit of $10,000 invested at an annual rate of 10% for 4 years. Find the future value. Simply, the future value will be the sum of the amount after 4 years. So the future value will equal the principal, which is 10,000. This is the 10,000, the principal, multiplied by 1 plus interests power n. The n is the number of years. We have 4 years. For 4 years, so n will be 4. So that will equals 10,000 multiplied by 1.10 times 4. That will give you 14,641. So if I want the interest earned, it will be all the amount which had been the sum minus the principal. So only this will be the interest, 4,641. This is an example here right now. Here is also another example. John deposited $10,000 in a bank with compound interest rate of 10% for 5 years. Calculate the future value of that amount. So the future value will equal the principal multiplied by 1 plus the R, which is the interest rate, power the number of years. So I have here, this is for 5 years, so N will be 5, or if the rate of interest is 10%, 1 is constant in this equilibrium, then we will multiply it like this way, 10,000 times 1.1 power 5. That will give me this amount, 16,105.1. Then interest earned will equal the sum minus the principal, which is 10,000. That will give me this amount at the end of the period. This is another example. And here we are trying to compare between two amounts. The same, what $10,000 invested for 5 years with simple interest, 6%, or the same amount, 10,000, is invested for 5 years with interest discount 6%. So here it shows me that the n, or the number of years, is multiplied in the simple interest inside the bracket. Inside the bracket, it's multiplied like here, 1 plus 0.06, which is the 6%, the interest rate, multiplied by 5 years. Look at this, the 5 is inside, but here the power is a 5. And we see always that the result, that the compound interest is greater than the simple interest. The compound interest is more than the simple interest. This is another idea about how to do this. And I also just want to explain one thing, one point. I will just show it right now because it may be important that you guys can see it. We'll work on it and see it, how it looks like. So here, let's say as example,